Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about editing our DHCP scope up inside of our Windows server. So currently I have Server Manager up and running, so let's go to Tools, and from the Tools, let's go ahead and select DHCP. That's going to open up our DHCP Management Console. Let's go ahead and make this full screen. Move this over here just a little bit, and we're going to expand the name of our domain, and we'll expand our IP version 4 scope. Now, if you open up your scope options and you go to the address pool and you try to edit the scope from here, this won't happen. You're not going to get anything. There's nothing here that you can edit. To actually edit the scope, we have to go back over here to the left window pane, and where we have the scope option listed, we right click and we go to Properties, and from here you can edit your scope. So if you want to change the range of IP addresses that are part of the address pool, this is where you can do it. For instance, you want to knock this down to 100 and you want to include another 25 with the ending IP address. This is where you can do it. You can also go in here and you can play with your DNS and your advanced DHCP options. Boot P is from a long time ago. It is the predecessor to DHCP, so you can go ahead and check both and won't hurt anything, but hardly anybody ever uses Boot P. If you find something that's using it, it's going to be very legacy. And as far as DNS goes, you can enable dynamic updates according to the following settings below. So this is a very cool thing about DHCP and DNS. Dynamically update DNS records only if requested by the DHCP client. So if a DHCP client receives a new IP address, they can ask that DNS dynamically update their A record or their host record up inside of the DNS forward lookup zone. And then get the option here to discard A and pointer records when the lease is deleted. That's a very good option. This is why DNS and DHCP work so well together dynamically. And so that's going to conclude our short video presentation on how we go about editing our scope up inside of our DHCP Management Console. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was provided for you in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.